Hello lovelies, welcome to Ella Skincare, where I give you the best DIYs on skincare, cream reviews and natural remedy. If this is the first time on my channel, you are absolutely welcome. And if you're returning, you are welcome also. You all know I have nothing but love for you. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Hit the subscribe button to join the family right now. To subscribe is very simple. Just hit the red subscribe button and also hit the post notification bell to get notified anytime I upload new videos. So lovely, today's video is a requested video by a subscriber. I'm not going to talk too much in this video. I'm just going to go straight to the point, like hit the nail in the head. His subscriber asked me how to remove yellow patches from his skin or her skin, whoever is having yellow patches on the skin. But first and first, I have to tell you, if you're using a cream that is giving you yellow patches, the first thing for you to do is to stop using that cream right now. That cream is not good for your skin. That's why it's actually reacting to it. So stop using the cream right now. Yes, since you stop using the cream now, let's talk about how to clear yellow patches on our skin. It's simple and very simple. I'm going to talk about some basic ways that people use. You can use aloe vera to remove your yellow patches, but I have my own way of removing yellow patches. I know you won't like it. Most people don't like it, but I'm going to talk about my own way, which I feel is the best way at the end of the video. Almost at the end, because this video is going to be very short as possible. So the first way is to apply aloe vera on the affected area. Aloe vera will help your skin rejuvenate, make your skin lovely and good again. It's going to bring back that pigment that your skin is losing. You're going to regain everything back. That's what aloe vera does to your skin. And also you can also apply coconut oil on the affected area. It's very good, coconut oil and affected area, but mind you, aloe vera and coconut oil is not going to work like magic on your yellow patches. Yellow patches cannot go overnight and would not get out of your skin overnight. Yellow patches take time to get out. Okay, it comes at once like magic and it goes out slowly. So that's the thing with yellow patches. Okay, so for your treatment, like I said, as first, stop the cream, apply it to the affected areas only. Or you can still apply it to the whole of your skin, might get you dark, but apply it only on the affected area. Aloe vera gel or coconut oil. Some people use shea butter, but I haven't tried using shea butter. Then the best way and the most effective way to get rid of yellow patches in your skin is to use sulfur. Sound crazy, right? It's to use sulfur. I know most of you might say, Ella is saying rubbish. I know sulfur smells disgusting. I mean, I don't like the smell, but when it comes to treating yellow patches, I get to manage them. I don't get ocean, I get to use them like that. So just take it and mix it with the cream and apply it on the affected area, or just grind your sulfur to a plain powder, fine powder, and mix it with little coconut oil and apply, or mix it with little water and apply it on the affected area. With sulfur, you're gonna see result in 2 weeks maximum, like 1 to 2 weeks you'll see a result, but not just 1 week on the dot. So please, 1 to 2 weeks you'll see result on your yellow patches. I'm not talking about eczema, I'm talking about yellow patches on your skin, the ones that are caused by the creams that you're using. Just apply sulfur. Is the best way to get rid of yellow patches. So lovelies, give sulfur a try and leave your comment on the comment section when you've done using it, and tell me your result or what happened when you were using it, and let me know. So lovelies, till I see you in my next video, I always say remain blessed.